Okay, sweet tooth, buckle up, because today we're asking the important questions. What's the most ice cream ever eaten in outer space? The answer involves a 50-year-old lie, a smuggled sandwich, a rocket full of dessert, and honey. Every word of it is true. Let's start with the lie. You know that chalky, crunchy astronaut ice cream they sell in every museum gift shop, the pink, brown, and white slab. Here's the scandal. It has never flown in space. Not once. Not ever. The most famous space food in history never went to space. It's real technology. The Whirlpool Corporation developed freeze-dried ice cream for NASA's Apollo program. A NASA press release even said it flew on Apollo 7 in 1968. But astronaut Walt Cunningham, who was on Apollo 7, said nope, and the mission transcripts never mention it. It was tested and rejected. Why reject ice cream? Crumbs, darling. That freeze-dried slab crumbles like chalk, and in zero gravity, crumbs don't fall, they float. Into eyes, into noses, into multi-million-dollar equipment. A crumb cloud in a spaceship is a tiny, delicious disaster. And NASA learned about crumbs the hard way. In 1965, astronaut John Young smuggled a corned beef sandwich onto Gemini 3. In his pocket, crumbs everywhere. The United States Congress actually held hearings about it. A sandwich caused a government investigation. Iconic behavior, honestly. So when did real ice cream first reach space? 1973, on the American space station Skylab. The first U.S. spacecraft with an actual freezer. The astronauts up there ate real vanilla ice cream in orbit like absolute royalty. Real scoops. Real space. Really happened. Fast forward to today. The International Space Station, orbiting about 250 miles above your head. There's no ice cream aisle up there. Every single scoop has to be delivered by rocket, which makes it the most expensive ice cream run in the universe. Enter SpaceX's Dragon capsule, which carries science freezers up to the station. And here's the genius part. Those freezers fly up mostly empty because their real job is bringing frozen science samples back down to Earth. Empty freezer space on the way up, NASA fills it with ice cream. Which brings us to the biggest ice cream delivery in space history. August 2017, when Dragon delivered 30 individual cups of Bluebell ice cream, plus Snickers ice cream bars, to 6 very happy astronauts. Nobody keeps an official record for most ice cream eaten in space, but those folks are the reigning champions. Now, the delicious math. The space station zooms along at 17,500 miles per hour. That is 5 miles every single second. So every spoonful eaten up, there is officially the fastest-moving ice cream in history. Your sundae could never. But there's a catch. That freezer is needed for science samples heading home. So the ice cream has to be eaten fairly fast. That's right. Astronauts are basically ordered to finish their dessert. Somewhere, every 8-year-old on Earth just gasped with jealousy. And here's my favorite stat of all time. If you have ever bought that gift shop astronaut ice cream, then you have eaten more freeze-dried space ice cream than every Apollo astronaut combined. Their lifetime total? 0. You, age 9 at the Science Museum? Legend. Pop quiz, gorgeous. Did gift shop astronaut ice cream ever fly? No. When did real ice cream first reach space? 1973, on Skylab. And the biggest space ice cream delivery ever? 30 cups. Look at you, a certified space dessert historian. So, a gift shop lie, a smuggled sandwich, a freezer full of Bluebell going 17,000 miles an hour, and astronauts under orders to eat dessert. The world is weird. Space is even weirder, and I am obsessed. Now go have a scoop at home. No rocket required. Bye.